ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi chip with the full TCP/IP stack and MCU, that is a microcontroller unit capabilities, produced by Chinese-based manufacturer called Expressive Systems. The chip first came into attention to the Western makers in August 2014 with the ESP01 module. It was made by the third-party manufacturer called AI Thinker. The small module allows microcontroller to connect to an Wi-Fi network and make simple TCP/IP connections using Hay-style command. So what is basically an Hay-style command? It is a specific command language originally developed by Dennis Hayes for his Hayes Smart Modem 300 baud modem in 1981. This set of commands consists of series of short text strings which can be combined to produce commands for operations such as dialing, hanging up, changing the parameters of the connections. So, however, at that time when there was no English language documentation on the chip and the commands it accepted, due to its very low price and very few external components on the module, it attracted many hackers from the Western world to just explore the device, and even they translated the Chinese documentation to various English documentation and developed softwares where we can program the chip. So the ESP8285 is an ESP8266 with 1 MB of built-in flash, allowing for single chip device capable for connecting to the Wi-Fi. So the successor to this microcontroller chip is ESP30. So coming to the features of ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, the processor is L106 32-bit reduced instruction set computer. The microprocessor core is based on 10 silica extensor diamond standard 106 micro, that is running on 80 MHz. It has 54 KB of instruction RAM, 96 KB of data RAM. External QSPI flash is of 512 KB to 4 MB, and it can be expanded to 16 MB also in the newer versions of ESP8266. So what is basically an QSPI? It is a quad serial peripheral interface. It is a SPI module that allows single, dual and quad read access to external XPI devices. So, and in ESP8266 we have IEEE 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi. So it is basically a set of media access control and physical layer specifications for implementing wireless local area network computer communication in 900 MHz, 2.4, 3.6, 5 and 60 GHz frequency bands. In that we have integrated TR switch, that is basically a duplexer. We have balun, that is basically an electrical device that converts between the balanced signal and an unbalanced signal. So balanced signal is basically here two signals are working against each other where the ground is it is irrelevant, and in unbalanced signal what happens is like a signal is working against the ground or the pseudo ground. So we have balun here, we have LNA, that is a low noise amplifier, we have power amplifiers and a matching network. And for the authentication of Wi-Fi we have WEP, that is wired equivalent privacy for authentication, and we also have Wi-Fi protected access, WPA what we call in general language, and WPA and WPA2 authentication. And also we have open networks. We can use open networks using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Here ESP8266 have got 16 GPIO pins. It have I2C. So I2C is basically an integrated circuit. It is a multi-master, multi-slave. It has packet switch, single-ended serial computer bus. It was basically invented by Philips Semiconductors. And now coming to the next feature, that is I2S, that is inter-IC sound. It's an electrical serial bus interface standard used for connecting digital audio devices together. And it comes with DMA, which it can share with the GPIO pins. The UART on dedicated pins we have in ESP8266, like each and every pins will have a dedicated UART, universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter, plus a transmitter only UART can be enabled on GPIO 2 of the ESP8266 module. It have 10-bit analog to digital converter, and this digital converter is a successive approximation type.